Welcome back. I'm Roy with Rugged Badger Racing and Team Parts Badger. I'm taking a quick break on the 80 hours to Gingerman ChampCar Miata to spend a little bit of time on our zero crust.
I'll have the tuner.
No crust.
No crust.
1997 Mitsubishi Eclipse Replica from Fast and the Furious. Now we have a really fun project, which I'm excited about, and I'm gonna need these nitrous bottles. I'll tell you more in a second. Let's get these things out. So we're all loaded up. We have the nitrous bottles. I grabbed a front license plate, which is not on the car, the airbag cover, and I also have a poster, Fast and the Furious poster. The reason I have those is today we're actually heading to World of Wheels in Milwaukee, which is a car event, and they're going to be making a special appearance by the actor who plays Hector in the original Fast and the Furious movie. And he actually has a few lines about the Fast and the Furious Eclipse to Paul Walker in the movie. And I really want to get a signature and get an autograph, not only on the nitrous bottles, but if I could get him to write some of the lines from the movie, which I have printed out, that would just be really awesome. So that's the goal. That's why we loaded up and we're headed over. So we're gonna see if we can actually get into the show with all this stuff, and then we'll see if he's signing autographs and if he'd be willing to sign the stuff we got. I'd be happy with just about any signature at this point, but we'll see what we can get. All right, so we're at the show. We have a suitcase filled with all the stuff we're hoping Hector will end up, or the actor that plays Hector will end up signing. Let's see if we'll actually get in. All right, we got in the show, no problem with all the stuff. So now we gotta find out where he is. All right, and we made it, we're early. He's actually signing autographs early, so I'm super excited. We'll get those nitrous bottles out. All right, went a lot better than I thought. I actually got everything signed. He is super awesome. Let me show you what I got here. So he signed the license plate. I got an airbag cover, and then the 2 nitrous bottles. So this one says what you're running under there. You're gonna make me find out the hard way. I also got a poster signed, so I'm really excited. This is gonna be a great addition to the car. Now I gotta figure out how the heck I'm gonna protect the signature so it doesn't get damaged going in and out of the car when these things go out to get filled and refilled. All right, we are back home. I have the Eclipse here. World of Wheels was pretty cool, actually. We got to see a lot of cool stuff. We saw the Batmobile. We saw a bunch of really big turbos and really clean fabrication. We saw RC drifting and a bunch of other cool cars. It was a great time. Most importantly, we got the signatures we needed. So I'm really excited. I actually got the parts installed. So let's go around and take a look. Thanks so much for watching. This was a really fun project. I'm glad you guys could join me on this. We're gonna have a lot more projects like this, so please like and subscribe below. From the race car builds to the street builds, we got a lot of fun stuff in store this summer. Thanks.